Okay, today we're going to go over the Linortek Netbell-KB-E2M TCPI network all-in-one extra loud factory bell timer system. This one has 2 external buzzers and 1 internal buzzer, and we're going to open it up and I'll just show you what it all looks like. This is the second one that we've purchased. We liked them so much. So couldn't find a lot of videos on them, so I thought I would do a unboxing of it just to show what all it comes with and everything. So we'll just unbox everything here real quick. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show off is the actually clock. Comes with a real big time clock here, and in a little bit we'll plug all that in so you can see what it looks like. It actually goes like that, but it's all metal, nicely constructed. Okay, and this box comes with networking cable and some of the cable to connect to your speakers. Comes with its own power supply. There's the power supply, and it is AC. Inside of here is the main unit. So this is the part that needs to be plugged into the network, or you can plug a laptop into it and just set it and then unplug it. We hooked ours to the network, so we can change it if we need to. So on the bottom you've got 1 speaker, 2 speaker, 1 power. This is where your network port is here, and it's all watertight and sealed. And then you have the port that goes to your clock. So this is the main unit, and then the other ones feed off of it. So get those, show you what one of these other units look like. They're similar to this one. Just a little smaller. So here's one of the other units, other buzzers. Okay, so they have multiple entry points on them. They've got wings for mounting. This is, threaded, so you can put this outside. They just come with Wagyu connectors to connect to the rest of the system. And each one of those comes with a small little bit of wire, which you'll want to put them way farther apart than this because they're very loud. And then it comes with its own power supply as well, and it's AC. So we'll plug it all in real quick, get it going, and that way you can see what the clock itself looks like. So here's a demo of what it looks like, and all the stuff that comes with it. So this is the clock running. You can see it's real big, bright. It comes with screws, mounting screws for both the buzzers. It's also got little screws where you can adjust the volume and how loud they are that go in each one of these. each power supply for each one, the network cable. It does have the MAC address right here underneath it, so when it's on your network, it'll grab DHCP and you can find it that way. If you don't have DHCP, it manually assigns it. That's in the instruction booklet. And that's about it, really. You can set countless number of alarms and timers and all kinds of things in the app, and it kind of goes over that in the other videos, but you couldn't really see how it was done before, or you couldn't really see how it was assembled before. It is AC, like I said, so you go on each side of the power adapter for the power. And I want to show you what it looks like inside the clock. There's a nice big pretty looking control board inside here. So, and it's nice too when you're doing the network, you can see the network activity inside of here. Make sure you're connected good. So yeah, that is it. Definitely recommend, like I said, this is the second one we bought, and it's a good bell system.